First thing on the agenda this weekend, gonna get the car jacked up. We're gonna take a look at the suspension, just make sure everything's good. Pretty sure there's some bushings and things like that that need to be replaced. I do have some, I just can't remember which ones. We're also gonna go ahead and check out the coilovers, just make sure everything's snug, make sure they're all level now that the car's had time to settle. While we're under there, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the brakes, and we'll see what else comes up. Alright, we have A-arm bushings, we have motor mounts, we have steering rack bushings, bump stops, and axle inserts. So let's get to it. Took quite a bit of work, but we got this out. There's one drill bit. There's another one in there somewhere. But I was able to get it out. A couple of hole saw blades, and then eventually this giant socket. What is this? Yeah, 36mm socket. So now that we're done cleaning off the sway bar, I've got everything pretty much buttoned up back here. I got one of the shock bolts in, the lower one still needs to get installed. What I have some trouble with is just getting the bushing back into this little spot here. So what I discovered is it's a very delicate process when you try to install these bushings. Yeah. Alright, so basically what I had to do is take this whole beam down. I didn't have to take the whole thing out. Suspension and everything stays connected. Even the parking brake cables and everything stay connected. All you have to do is make sure you have a jack down underneath to support it, because there are some brake cables. You don't want those to get pulled too tight. But it does drop it down enough that you can access this down. Basically drops it down to around here. So you're able to fidget around, do what you gotta do, and then put it back up. Alright, and then the last thing we're gonna do here is get the camber adjusted on the front wheels. So this screw here, or this bolt here, has like an angled head on it, so it allows you to adjust it. I don't have a really good tool for it, so I'm just using my phone. I know it's not perfect, but it's giving me an idea. Alright, so it's Sunday morning. I went ahead and drove the Rabbit around. Ride height looks really good, even all around. I did hear a couple of clunks when I was driving around, hit a couple of bumps. I think it might just be the tray and the hatch because it's not really down very far, but when I go under to work on the exhaust, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look. Till next time.